Look, I've spent years working with high-stakes electrical systems in nuclear power plants before transitioning to 17 years of hands-on HVAC service. When I look at a mini split, I'm not looking at a shiny plastic box. I'm looking at the engineering that's going to keep your family comfortable when it's 95 degrees out and 90% humidity. Today, we're putting two popular budget-friendly contenders in the ring, the ACiQ Standard S Series and the Hykolity Ductless Mini Split. Let's talk about what keeps these units from becoming scrap metal in 5 years. The coils. The ACiQ S Series comes out of the gate strong with a coated coil. In the field, we call that a lifesaver because it fights off the corrosion that eats away at bare aluminum. Hykolity, on the other hand, doesn't list a coated coil in the data, which is a major red flag if you live anywhere near salt air or even just heavy industrial smog. On the tech side, we're looking at a 20.5 SEER rating on the ACiQ versus a 19 SEER 2 on the Hykolity. Now don't just look at the number, look at the compressor. Both use variable speed inverter technology. As a former nuclear electrician, I love inverters because they eliminate that massive inrush current, that thump you hear when an old school AC kicks on. They ramp up slowly, saving your electric panel and your wallet. ACiQ's slightly higher efficiency edge means lower monthly bills over the long haul. Now, let's talk real world dollars. You can find the ACiQ equipment for around $900 to $2,500, depending on the BTU size, while Hykolity sits right in that same neighborhood, often between $800 and $1,400 for the hardware. But remember, the equipment is only half the battle. For a professional installation, you're looking at an average total of $3,500 to $5,000. While the upfront price is close, the value isn't just the receipt, it's how many times you have to call me out to fix it. Before we crown a winner, here's a pro tip. Treat your mini split like your car. Clean those filters every month and keep the outdoor unit clear of leaves and debris. If that outdoor coil can't breathe, your efficiency goes out the window and you'll burn up that expensive inverter compressor. When things do go wrong, you want a warranty that actually talks back. ACiQ offers a solid 10-year compressor warranty and 5 years on parts. Hykolity is trailing behind here with only a 3-year compressor warranty and 1 year on parts. In the HVAC world, a 1-year parts warranty is basically the manufacturer saying they don't expect the unit to outlast your smartphone. Plus, ACiQ is a known brand with better dealer support, whereas Hykolity is often a buy it and you're on your own situation. The verdict is clear. I'm putting my money on the ACiQ Standard S Series. It wins because it gives you a coated coil for better build quality, a higher efficiency rating, and a warranty that actually covers you for a decade. Hykolity might save you $100 today, but the ACiQ is the one that's still going to be cooling your bedroom 10 years from now. Shop like a pro and use the head-to-head tool on HVACforbeginners.com.